Welcome to e-learning Maths Standard 8th. Chapter 1, Rational and Irrational Numbers. In your last maths class, you have learnt how to plot rational numbers on the number line. Today, we will learn how to plot irrational numbers on a number line. Before we learn how to plot irrational numbers, let us revise what are rational numbers. A number is called a rational number if it can be expressed in P upon Q form, where P and Q are integers and Q is always greater than 0. Every integer, natural and whole number is a rational number. There lies infinite rational numbers between two rational numbers. Now coming to our topic for today, irrational numbers. Let us first see what an irrational number is. An irrational number is any real number which cannot be put into a fraction form. In other words, they are any real number which can be written as non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. Let me sum up by saying irrational numbers are not ratios of two numbers. Their decimals do not repeat or terminate. They are infinite, non-repeating decimals. We will now learn how to plot irrational number √2 on the number line.
Representing √2 on the number line. √2 is an irrational number. Therefore, representing it on a number line is a construction. And for the construction of √2, we need a scale, a compass, a protractor, and a pencil. Let us first draw a number line by taking the scale. 1 unit is equal to 2 centimeters. If not, the construction will be very close and will be very difficult to visualize the construction. Now, as you all know, √2 is a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. Therefore, before we proceed with the construction, let us draw a right angle triangle OPQ. OP base is equal to 1 unit and PQ perpendicular height is equal to 1 unit. OQ hypotenuse is equal to question mark. By Pythagoras theorem, we have OQ is equal to OQ squared is equal to OP squared plus PQ squared. OQ squared is equal to 1 squared plus 1 squared. OQ squared is equal to 1 plus 1. OQ squared is equal to 2. Therefore, OQ is equal to √2. We use this concept to represent √2 on the number line. Let us represent O 0 by O and 1 by P. As you know, OP is equal to 1 unit. To represent √2 on the number line, Now let us take point P and draw a perpendicular Now with the help of our scale, let us join. Now measure PQ as 1 unit, that is 2 centimeters, and join OQ. Now from the Pythagoras theorem, we know that OQ is equal to root 2. Now with our compass and radius equal to OQ, we draw an arc on the number line. Now this becomes root 2. That is, we represent it as point A. So OA is root 2 units. I hope you have understood how to represent root 2 on the number line.